You know that quiet panic that creeps in when things take longer than you hoped? You tell yourself, I trust the timings. But अंदर ही अंदर एक आवाज गूंज रही होती है. What if it never happens? You keep checking your phone, refreshing your inbox, and कुछ ना कुछ proof ढूंढ रहे होते हो कि that yes, life is still moving. But maybe it's not stuck. Maybe it's like a progress bar frozen at 99 degree. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, but behind the scenes, something is still installing. You're not impatient. आप सिर्फ अंदर ही अंदर डरे हुए हो कि फिर से disappoint ना हो जाओ. And it's absolutely okay. Faith isn't only about trusting your universe. Faith ही है जो आपकी लाइफ की फ्रीक्वेंसी को सेट करता है. और कभी कभी जब कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा होता है, उस समय भी खुद के ऊपर भरोसा रखना faith कहलाता है. But what about those days when you do trust but still feel the urge for a sign just to be sure? And maybe that's where most of us get caught between faith and craving for a proof. Even when you trust, sometimes you quietly look for signs. It's like posting something on social media and उसके बाद आप हर 2 मिनट में फोन चेक कर रहे हो सिर्फ ये देखने के लिए क्या किसी ने लाइक किया है. It's exhausting, isn't it? Even when you say you trust, अंदर ही अंदर एक वो छोटी सी आवाज फिर से आती है. Am I on the right path? Is it real? Is it happening? Let me tell you one thing over here. Faith isn't about absence of doubt. Faith is moving forward. Even when your hands are shaking, even when your heart is still asking for some evidence, every glance, every doubt subtly shifts the energy you're carrying. And that energy shapes what you manifest. You don't need a sign from universe. You just need a moment of stillness from yourself. But sometimes the proof you are looking for is you, still standing, still choosing to believe. And yet, even when you start trusting deeply, the same unwanted patterns may still show up. You have been trusting, you have been showing up. आप वो सब कुछ कर रहे हो जो आपको लगता है कि सही है, but तब भी जो आप नहीं चाहते हो वही हो रहा है. The same kind of people, same results over and over. It's like nurturing a garden. आप weeds को pull out कर रहे हो, आप प्यार से पानी दे रहे हो, nurture कर रहे हो, and yet after some time फिर से वही weeds वापस आ जाते हैं. These repetitions aren't punishment. ये वो एनर्जी पैटर्न्स है, ये पूरी तरह शिफ्ट नहीं हुए हैं. Faith doesn't mean skipping the lesson. Faith is still showing up in your garden. चाहे वहाँ पे फिर से weeds खड़े हो गए हों, चाहे आपका दिल फिर से proof मांग रहा हो. And the miracle is subtle yet real. When you notice those weeds, you meet them with your awareness, not resistance. And that's the moment you start clearing those energy patterns that keeps repeating. The garden begins to change, the old patterns stop controlling your life, and the new growth begins. Remember, your energy, your faith, and your attention are the seeds of life you are calling in. So stay steady, keep showing up, and watch your garden transform.